at a, all right. So what this is telling us, right? It's a it's a bearish break of structure, right? So price right now is bearish. That's the first question. It's kind of, is it bullish or bearish, right? Okay. The second question, right? It's where's the current price sign? I mean, on this time frame, is it premium, equilibrium, or discount, right? So something that can help you is grabbing the fib tool, right, from the last point. So right now, it's at a discount, right? But it's at discount. It's not coming from premium because it's not. It didn't do something like this, right? Yeah. Okay. So it's at discount. So that's what I would note down. Yeah. And then from there, this what is the logical target? What are we targeting? What is price trying to target right now, right? Price was targeting this low, right? If it's on a bearish trend, it was targeting this low, right? And it broke structure. So we could say, well, put it, we're going down, but we have two targets, right? That's what I'm gonna put down. So target one, okay, was was no, that's my second target. Target one was to break the last lower low, right? All right. And target two is to mitigate the bullish. I mean, sorry. Bearish order block. That's up here, right? This guy. Make sense? No, bearish. Bearish because no. A bullish order block, it's when you have price doing this, right? And this, because you're in a bullish trend, right? You this is this will count out as a bullish order block, right? Because you want price to go up from it, right? And but this is a bearish order block, right? Because price, we want price to come here and then go lower. So you know what I'm saying? It's a bearish order block if we are expecting price to go lower from it. Yeah, that's what we're expecting. Our expectation, yeah, to premium, which is where the bearish order block is, or our point of interest is at, right? Okay, so yes, yeah. So expectation is for price action to mitigate the bearish order block and break to the downside, right? And I usually try to map this out too, right? So this is my expectation. Something could be the 50 and that's it, right? This, we want this break of structure if price is on a bearish trend, right? Okay, so from here, I got all the information I needed from this. I could look at what it's doing, right? Like if prices, at some kind of bullish order block on a higher time frame, but it doesn't seem like that's the case. It seems like all this is internal liquidity, and we're just going to take it. Like, you know how it's coming down. Overall, it's bearish. So, I mean, this is something I want to target, right? This I will put down as the 4. I'm just saying it's 4-hour order block, right? Not probably is, but this is something where price might come in and expect to go higher, right? Okay, so all right, so what we're gonna do now? I'm gonna drop down to the 15 minute and then do the same thing here, right? Okay, so yellow is my middle time frame. Sometimes I do the 30 minutes, sometimes I do the 15, but 15 seems to work out best for me. And broke structure here, came here, came here, um, broke that structure. Uh, this guy, and then it broke this guy again. So now the yellow time frame is it's bearish. And we could tell it's at discount, right? So it's the same as kind of like the 1 hour right now. So kind of on a target, it's just to mitigate targets, yeah, mitigate the bearish order block too. From here, same kind of expectation. Um, we do kind of have the expectation to do so because we want to mitigate this high time frame order block too. Um, but I kind of also want to see something like before I get to this side, I kind of want to do something like this, mitigate this guy, break this, something like that. It's kind of what I expect for price to do. Hold on, choose my expectation to. Mm, um, I'm gonna work down to the 1 minute and see if I could see some kind of setup here before because price could might, yeah. If I do, yeah, but I want to see my confirmation, which is Wyckoff, at a point of interest. So I mean, it is seems like it'll probably be a good setup if I went from here, right? Yeah, I mean like that's 8 RR, so that's not bad. But I want to see, yeah, I want to see like this high being broken and then coming back in and then taking off from there. But let's see what the 1 minute says. If because like it just broke the last lower low over here, right? It was just the last break of structure on that side. Yeah, so I don't know, it could go deeper, right? But let's see. And I mean if you guys got something to say, I'm willing to listen, you know?
No, I think you're good, man. Right now,
Okay.
yeah, you're on track. Same thing I would do.
Yeah. So I mean right now we're in some kind of accumulation as you can see. You know, we was coming down. We had to change the character. Well, a lot of point of supplies, I think it's called. I forget. But this was definitely a change of character right here. Huh? This right now? Okay. Alright. So, what's up, bro? Yeah. Yeah, this is accumulation. So we're trying to, if it breaks, let's say, hmm, I'll count this as the AR, right? Sign, silent climbers, AR, ST, and then we got a sign of minor. I'll count this. Oh, well, I don't even got my volume on. Yeah, it's not really much volume in those guys. Guess that is kind of like a sign of strength. But we could expect price to come into a deeper mitigation of this guy and then break this, the last. So if price breaks this, right, I'm looking to go long from it, if that makes sense. And with this position, um, since I mean it is kind of pro trend with this time frame with the 15-minute, but it's also against the trend overall, the 1 hour trend that I'm going after. So I don't know if I want to do a full 1% on it, if that makes sense. So, but I'll do it for the heck of it. Um, yeah,
Would you
let's see
not
what
consider taking it long if it breaks the most recent high?
this guy.
Yeah,
Um,
I'm just asking the question.
no,
Okay,
because it could still come and mitigate this guy. I mean,
definitely.
it is doing that definitely right now, but
Yeah.
I I don't know. Maybe we could put it, you know. I don't
Mm.
mind putting it on and see what it does. See what price is doing right now. Whoa.
That is insane. This is a pretty good pair though, man. CAD JPY. That's a pretty
Yeah,
good pair.
yeah. So okay,
They got
we'll
to be
put a
news that don't matter.
yeah, we'll put a long here, and my stop loss will be right below this guy. And of course, we're targeting the highs, so let's see what it does. Okay. Okay, we're in. We're in here.
What's the target? You
Um,
going
I
3 to 1 or
the target is overall right here. So I'm gonna just target that. This this it's kind of like the 50 of this order block, and we'll see how that works out. I do expect it to come and do some pullback, so I don't know. This kind of trend.
hey, I'll be right back, man. I have to help my daughter with
Yes, no
something.
problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Not yet. No. T no, TP is way up here. We're gonna put our stop loss here. That's stop loss. So if we do get taken out, it's break even. Kind of want to see this break of structure to hopefully go longer, but it is kind of mitigating our bearish order block. It's not the whole thing, but it's doing. Oh, hold on. Okay. Mhm. Whoa. Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm just doing demo right now. I'm going to take the challenge for the funded trader by the end of this month, hopefully. Okay. So look, right now we're having what I was expecting at this order block, right? At this point of interest, right? I wanted to see Wyckoff here, right? We got this buying climax, AR, and then another second test to the high. So that's phase A. And then we came and had a what is this? A sign of strength, right? No, not a spring. This is because I'm looking at it as a distribution right here. Yes, sir. Let me see. Yeah, volume is high, and sorry, you can see now. I make the I could change the colors to darker. Stop loss where? Right here? This guy? Okay, I'll do that. All right, because that's actually where I want and this is where I'll flip it. If hmm? Well, if it breaks this, I am expecting to short from here because this is the setup that I originally wanted it, right? So yeah, we're right now. Let's see. Right now we're expecting a 506 a 50. No. Right now we're at 2.39 RR. So yeah, that's where we're originally happening to go. If it does make the spring, it could. I mean the UTAD, it would be great because it would probably take profit, and then that's where I would like to see a short from too. This guy, this guy, this one. Okay. Um. th- Well, right. It is. It is where I kind of expected price to distribute, right, and go short. So I wanted to go from here to distribute and then go down. So if it does break this, right, I kind of am going to. But yeah, I'll leave it here for the sakes of it. All right. So, but normally I would put the stop loss here because if it does, I'm expecting to short it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's see what it does. Yeah. Trading? Man, I've been doing like for like 8 years. I've been around. Oh yeah? No, sir, I do not. I've been just studying the smart money concepts. Yeah, but what is it? No, I haven't. I haven't used that yet. Just Wyckoff and structure. You so you what is this? No. Yeah. I want to learn. I want to learn the Elliott waves. But let's see what price does right here. Okay. Kind of want to see this break. Okay. Also want to see. I guess we could draw some kind of spring right here. It's kind of where I want to see something happening. So let's play it out. Hmm. Okay. So I'm out this trade. Okay. You see The volume? No, I'm taking out myself. Make sense? Yeah. So I would have been, yeah, you see how high volume is? So we got 2 point, what is it? 2 2.55 RR on that trade. So now I want to see volume did go into to this area with a lot of volume. So if it breaks down again, I'm going to short, okay? So I'm going to put a short position here. And
Was
this
the other
is,
one a success? I'm just
yeah,
getting back. Okay.
well, I took myself out to, and I got 2.5
Oh,
RR.
nice.
But
Okay.
I took myself out, like I was telling him, that I is distributing at the point of interest that I was
Yeah.
expecting on the higher time frame.
Yeah.
So once it broke this low right here
Hmm.
with some pretty good volume on it,
Hmm.
I am expecting to short it from here. If it does again, if it does short, I'm gonna go short with it.
All
If
right.
that makes sense.
Yep. 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 Cool.
All right, so yeah, I was expecting a U-tan up here, but it didn't give it to me yet, so we'll see. It might be another, you know, a sign of strength, I think it's called. So let's see what it does. Okay, okay, that might be the U-tan, or it might just go get to my take profit. Look, wow. All right, it took my take profit. I know. I should have listened to you. It's all right. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what can we do here. Huh. It's almost like it's gonna might break this high, right? You guys can see that, but it's also
Yeah.
still it's still bearish overall. Like it's still in this range.
The volume profile is decreasing too. So it's
Yeah,
still like when it's making newer highs, it's still making newer highs on slightly higher volume,
yeah,
but the overall profile is decreased. So
yeah,
it should
yep.
start to break soon. Hmm.
Yep. Oh, I want to see a nice change of character. Okay, nice. See, all right. Man, these ultra wide screens are kind of hard to play with on the lower time frames. All right.
Retrace up and look for a setup.
Yeah. So, okay. You see that change of character? Yeah. This is AR now. Let's see the start range right here so far. Secondary test, huh? You would count that as that?
Um, you can, yeah, you can. Ooh, some nice retrace up to the
Yeah.
extreme.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So that might be
Let it break that low, that last low.
this guy right here.
The one up below, up, just yeah, that little itty bitty one, man. See, once it break that, see what type of structure it start to put in.
Yeah.
There
Okay.
you go. Yeah,
All
there
right.
you go.
So I'm gonna mark it, execute this guy.
With a high above, double tops or equal highs.
Yeah. I
So
might get stopped out, but we'll see. I'm gonna
yeah,
go point 0.5 on this guy. And then I'm gonna do another one here, but we will adjust the stop loss accordingly to this guy. I want to see this one break with some high volume of the AR. That makes sense?
Yeah, it does. Where's the target? The TP target
Uh Probably if this is the real um trade,
distribution? Yeah,
yeah,
all the
then
way
I'm
down.
targeting to the lows.
Okay.
This lows right here from where we got our setup from. Okay, I'll just put that out now. I think that's where it's at. All right, but we'll see. We'll adjust the second one. So we are in this one now. Okay, might get stopped out.
So high volume on the breakdown. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was noticing that too. All right, kind of
And they take
bar
out some liquidity.
this guy.
Yeah,
Or
probably take out.
because it is like equal highs right
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
Let's see
probably take that
what's
out and start dipping down. You may go
yeah,
through some drawdown.
yeah, it's cool. Okay. Ooh, not out yet, but that might that might take me out next one.
That's high volume.
Yeah, it took me out right there. This guy, oh, this one is not in yet. This trade is not in yet. Uh-huh.
Oh, outside below the trading range. That's what you're saying. Yeah, yeah. I think it's where your second entry is. I think that's where I think that's where you're talking about, like just outside the trading range. Yeah. So that one didn't enter yet, but yeah.
This one didn't enter the second trade. Okay. Okay, well, so what? Oh, talking about this trade right here? Where will you put the stop loss on this guy? On this trade? Where will you put the stop loss? Oh, sell stop at the bottom of the range. Oh, yeah, that's what I. Yeah, I was thinking this was yeah, you'll put a buy stop up here to go higher. Yeah, that makes sense. Um, but yeah, that's why I had the second trade for it. If it does break this range, that's what I'm looking for. But I was thinking it might just be a UT in phase B and go short too from there. So we got a point 0.5 or negative point 0.5. So might make a U-tab right now and then start shorting down. Or I mean, I don't know, mate. No, it's still within that range. So yeah, I can. See, it's getting pretty high up there, but it didn't break it yet. It is at the most extreme. So let's see what it does. Okay. Wow. So take another one from here. I think so. We'll put it 1 pip above, and we're targeting the same. Targeting the same area. So we're in this guy. Okay. Yeah, we're in it. Oh man, we might get stopped out.
Yeah, yeah. It was a unmitigated area, man, right there.
All right. So the strip. I mean, the accumulated here, reaccumulated to break higher. Huh. Okay. So we got. Oh man, I haven't. I have. Let's just this whatever we got right now. It's one. I'm gonna go back. Two. Negative 0.5 R. 3. We got negative 1 R. So far, I'm gonna go back to what we had on 1. I think it was 2.5. I think it was. So I'm gonna go back to the. Let me go back to the 15-minute. See what we're doing wrong. I'm doing wrong. All right. We got because this is our breaker structure right here. So um on the 1 minute, I'm gonna delete this point of interest now and all these. Okay, this as well. I just want to delete all this, clean it up a bit, if you know what I'm saying. All right, so we got breaker structure, bullish structure here. We have premium, got this order block right here that we can expect price to come back and mitigate and then continue higher. What you guys think? Sounds like
Yeah, look,
something?
it does. It does. Go back to your 1 hour time frame real quick.
Yes, sir.
It broke it. Did it break it? It did. It broke that
Yeah,
high. Broke that high. So yeah, it's putting in bullish structure for sure.
yeah.
It may
I
be
mean,
trying to go back up to the last like real bearish point of interest up top.
this guy?
Yeah, feeling a lot of that imbalance.
Yeah, we could mark this guy out too.
Uh,
I don't know if we'll get it down in this session, but well, this is something I guess we could expect. Yeah, because honestly, right here on this 1 hour, we are kind of accumulating, right? That makes sense, yeah.
yeah, it looks like that for sure. So you had to change your character, came down, secondary test, failed up thrust,
Mm-hmm.
test, failed, another failed up thrust, and then the spring. What was to the left of that thing? Okay, okay.
So,
That's the backup. That's
yeah.
the last one of support that it was tapping into.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. So, what do you guys think if we are shorting from that 1 minute target? I mean, going long. Like it is with the trend, but mhm, from here to like this. Okay, this guy. Uh-huh. Okay. All right, we'll see. So you're saying as soon as it breaks this, you want to go long, or you want to see some confirmation? Okay. It's definitely accumulating here. I don't know what exactly is back here, but I don't know. 15. Yeah. Yeah. So got this. So what you guys want to see a dish? I mean, yeah. Is it distribution here?
It can be. Yeah, distribution can occur if that's the point of interest. Yeah.
So
You gonna look to take a short down into the bullish point of interest?
we can, and then we'll see what we could do about that.
Intrinsic
So let's
character.
see here. We got
Climax AR.
T. So volume is going down a bit.
An increase with breaker structure for sure.
Yeah. Okay.
I was short.
Right here.
Yeah, well,
The stop loss right here, or what you guys want to do?
about the most recent high.
This one.
Down. Yeah, just about that.
Okay, we're targeting the open of this. I mean the
Got to be
high.
careful though with that. That's ugly. You
This
see
order
that?
block.
Yeah, all that, man. That's unmitigated too. So just got to be careful with that.
Okay.
You
Just
got to take it
targeting this
down to
guy.
there. Yeah.
Okay.
If you start to see some bullish action here, I would close it.
Some distribution. I mean accumulation here.
Accumulation, something. Yeah, change it,
Okay.
like a change of character or something down there.
Okay.
I would close it.
Okay. So we'll just take a, what is it, break even here?
You can, yeah, you can take a
Call it.
PE
All right.
because it's gonna make another up thrust.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna hit your.
Let's see
Well,
how it works out.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It did break a range though, our
It broke
distribution
that.
range.
Yeah, it just
So
came down into that unmitigated area. Still had all those orders in there.
yeah,
Close that out.
yeah,
What else is happening? High volume at the top. Price not going higher.
yeah.
Let's see. If it breaks down, you may be able to take a short again.
High volume.
Yeah, it's high
And you got,
volume. Yeah, wait for another confirmation.
do you want to
Yeah,
break this structure?
that's what I was looking at. Wait for another confirmation. Let's see what happens. You got it. Oof, man.
They're kind of, it's going higher, but we're not a lot of strength. I mean, not a lot of volume. So
High
that is an area
volume.
we're trying to see break and go
Yeah.
higher with it.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Let
If
this
it
go.
breaks that low, yeah, if it breaks that low, I will go. It's kind of because that other point of interest. Reason why I would, right? That other point of interest that we were trying to that you had the first sell limit at.
Mm-hmm.
I think that got mitigated, and it got mitigated completely when it made that new high.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens. Are you in? Not
No,
yet.
I don't think so. close.
And then another high. Man, with decreased volume.
Yeah.
All right. Change of character.
One of his reaccumulating here, you know, at the
It's
area.
taking the highs and the lows, so it's kind of
Yeah.
weird.
If we get a lot of strength to the upside, I'm thinking of taking it long.
Yeah, that's your name's Alan, right? I think if I remember,
You see that?
Arkean, is your name is Alan? Your name is Alan? Yeah. That's what Alan mentioned before, right? Said the buy
Yeah.
stop above this orange line. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we're in this right now.
Are you in? Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you targeting?
I'm targeting. Go to the. I don't want to. I wanted to go to the 15 to this order block.
Okay. Oh, that's
I guess
3.
the. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna go to the 50 of it to
Okay.
see.
What's that? 5R, 7R? What was it?
7.6.
Nice. Nice.
Let's let it rip.
You're doing high volume. Okay. High volume. high supply volume, man. High
Yeah.
selling volume. There it is. There it is. Okay. Where would you move your stop? It made another high.
Yeah. A break even?
Okay.
I'll break
Another
even.
leg up. There you go. It broke. But how? There you go. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of oil come from Canada.
No, come on.
Must be a different time now. Volume looks like it. Session that time now. A volume looked like it kind of died off.
Yeah, just it was 12. I think that was 11 Eastern time. Yeah, we're now at the session changeover,
Mm-hmm.
and it's just
Ranger, man.
yeah,
It's gonna take you out.
yeah. Come on, give me a you ten.
Yeah, it's gonna take you out.
Oh man, look, it's just between this high and this low. If it breaks this
Yeah,
low, I might take myself out, which I think.
I would. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
move
just
your
a
setup.
break even. I guess I'll just put it there.
Yeah. Now it's gonna take you out. Watch. As soon as you move it. And there it
Hey, I'm
goes.
out.
You're out. Yeah. But I knew it was gonna come down, man. It's just ranging too much.
Yeah. So
That's good trade, though. What's
yeah,
that? One something.
1.2, I think.
Look like it.
Wow. Um, it's not at the point of interest I wanted to, but it is a real. I mean, did accumulate up here.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you guys think? Some kind of test to here and then short, or which I think?
I mean, you probably wait to see what it's gonna do. I guess. What's the higher time frame telling you? Did you record this one too? Is it one
What do you?
point two or something?
Oh yeah, let me see. But it's 1.2. Let's see. So yeah, I think like yeah, just let's play it, I guess. Let's see what it does.
I don't know
You got it?
where we are.
Oh, you want me to go to like the 15-minute?
Yeah. Let's look at the 15. See where we are. You're away from the 15. The yellow is the 15-minute trend, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh,
Yeah. So yeah, premium. Okay. Excuse me. You probably go down in discount. Well, excuse me. Sorry. But yeah, you
you got
probably go down discount level.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna just try it out this whole zone.
And then go to the 5 minute too.
Yes, sir.
You see a refine? Do you all see a refine area in here? I see something that looks like the last point of support, and you already got it boxed in. That one right there.
This one?
Yeah,
Made trying to
on a smaller time frame. So
try this
price may
guy out.
go all the way down there. Yeah, it looks like
Kinda
the
like
last point of support.
50 of the
Yeah. Oh man, yeah, that is true. Right there, it's a good spot.
Hey, you know what it remind me of?
But
The tank strategy.
tank strategy. I see the tank. I see the
Yeah.
tank.
But yeah, let's see what it does. I mean, it could either go up, mitigate more of that, or it could go to this guy, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So I don't know. I don't really want to take a setup from that guy right there because I'm unsure of what it's going to do. Or what are your guys' opinions? Sell limit
Underneath the orange. Oh,
here?
put a sale limit.
What was that? Mm-hmm. Here? That's good stop loss for you, or should I go a little higher, or okay. All right, and we're targeting the this order block or this guy. Okay, let's see what it does. Ellen, you say you are in Manchester? Is that where's that at? Spain or am I wrong? England. Oh yeah. I don't know why I thought it was in Spain. I mean yeah. No, I do not live in Spain. All right, we're in this. No, sir. No, I live in the States, United States. Yeah. Right now it's 9 p.m. Yeah, now in the night. Yeah. Where you at? Whoa. Yeah. Dedication.
You don't sleep, man.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you don't. Okay.
Oh, really?
Well, today is your Sunday, right? Yeah, today is your Sunday.
We
It's
stopped
3
out.
a.m. Yeah.
We've been stopped out on this trade. Yeah. So, so oh well. All right. See, broke that high. So, I mean, not really. I guess it did break that high. He's gonna tell me, it was reaccumulating right there.
that's the spring right there, but it tapped in into
Yeah.
if you look to the left, yeah, it tapped into basically an unmitigated area, man. Truthfully,
Yeah.
so that's that order block right there, close to your old entry.
Yep. Yep. Look at that.
Yeah, it just took off. Yeah,
I think my
I think you're right though, man. Your bias is gonna go up there to that point of interest,
yeah.
and then probably sell off from there. Yeah,
Look at that. That's funny. A lot of volume with it too. So
yeah, that's a nice change of character. That is a lot of volume.
I don't know, man. What to do?
Well, wait for another updraft. So you can outline that order block that it broke out of, that bearish order block. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. This
yeah,
guy or
yeah.
this guy?
And you can take the whole thing honestly if you want, but yeah, that's fine too. That's fine. Yeah, and you may be good, man, with doing a sell limit depending on how. Or just look for a confirmation. Look for
Yeah,
a confirmation.
we'll see.
Yeah, with a retrace back up the premium. Oh, it broke structure again. Okay. All right.
Zoom in a bit.
And it's high volume.
Yeah. Okay. Volume is decreasing, but it's not going higher at the same time. So okay. Dang. Okay. No
Gotta be
confirmation.
news.
Yeah. Mm. Yep. That's a nice trade too, man. That reaccumulation or I always get them wrong. I can't tell which one's which one. I mean, I could tell you what it's doing, but I can't tell you the name of it.
Yeah.
Ah,
It
man.
did come all the way back and test the spring
Yeah.
and broke up again.
Might be the backup right here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. You see that change of character?
Yeah.
Let's see what it does. I kind of do want to see like the 50 of this being mitigated though, because, you know,
Yeah.
let's see. Um, highlight that. Just kind of to point out where I want to see price action do something there. Robert, you traded Friday? Whoa.
No, 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 no. I didn't trade, man. I was going to when I saw. Well,